In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts to Figma. If you're looking to personalize your design projects with unique typography, you've come to the right place. Let's get started on this easy yet rewarding process, ensuring your Figma designs reflect your style. First, you're going to want to open your web browser and head over to Google Fonts. This is a fantastic resource that offers a wide variety of typefaces for free. Whether you're looking for something classic, modern, or even a bit quirky, Google Fonts has you covered. As you browse through the vast selection, take your time to explore the options and choose the fonts that resonate with you and your project needs. Once you've settled on your desired fonts, it's time to download them. Typically, you'll find a download button after you've selected a font, making it simple to get them onto your computer. With the fonts downloaded, the next step is installation. Depending on your operating system, the installation process might vary slightly. For most users, this involves unzipping the downloaded file and double-clicking each individual font file to prompt the installation process. Easy as pie, right? Now, with the new fonts installed on your computer, you'll want to fire up your Figma app. This is where the magic happens, where those fonts come to life in your design work. Open the project you'd like to work on, or start a new one if you're feeling creative. Inside Figma, locate the text you wish to customize. Click on the text box to activate it, and look to the top menu where you'll find the font options. Click on the Font drop-down menu. Instead of scrolling through every available typeface, head directly to the Installed by You section. It's handily categorized to make your choice a breeze. Here you should see exactly the fonts you just added to your system, neatly listed and ready for action. Simply select one, and your text will take on the style of your chosen font. If your newly installed font is missing, make sure Figma is up to date and restart the app to refresh the font list. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring your own fonts into the Figma environment, ready to elevate your design projects. Don't forget to experiment. Try different font combinations and see what best suits your project. This concludes our tutorial on adding fonts to Figma. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your design.